Dear students, just you were listening a song मैं हूँ कौन means who am I, and there is an essay in your book and its name is Who Am I. Today we shall study this chapter Who Am I. Actually, when you read this story, at the end of the story you find the answer of who am I. As you know that this is modern age. We all are living in modern age, and in modern age there is a thing which is very helpful for us in every step of life. You can say that it has made our life very easy, and due to this we have entered in the modern age. When there is day, there is sufficient light, it is provided by the sun. But when there is night, that time it becomes dark. And when it becomes dark, that time it provides you light. It helps to produce light in your house with bulb. It means you find day-like light even at night with the help of it. It is very helpful. How is it helpful? When it is the season of summer, you feel hot. That time it moves your fan, it moves your cooler. If you want that your air conditioning plant should run, that time it is needed. It gives you cool air. It protects you from the heat. You feel cold or cool even in summer season. It is very difficult to keep your food fresh for a long time. That time there is gift of it, that is refrigerator. With the help of refrigerator you keep your food fresh for a long time. It does not stale, it does not waste. When there is cold season, that time you feel cold, and that time you need warmth, you need heat, and it gives you heat. It keeps your room warm, and it is possible with the help of room heater. If you go to the city, if you go to the town, that time you will see that there are trains and trams. These train and trams are also running with it. Trains and trams are carrying passengers, they are carrying goods, and as you know that in India there is a big network of train, but trams are used only in some cities. So it runs trains and trams. There was a time when it was very difficult to know about our relatives. That time we used to write letters. It took a long time to reach the letter from one place to another place. Now we have very good means of communication. Today we are using telephone and mobile. And do you know, telephone and mobile will come to stand still. It means they will not work without it. So telephone and mobile works with it. When there is human life, that time good health is necessary. But sometimes we fall ill. We consult doctor. We go to doctor. And for doctor, it is necessary to diagnose you. And for diagnosis, Sometimes they need the photograph of your internal parts of the body. They use X-ray machine for it, and X-ray machine works with the help of it. If it is not present, it is not possible for X-ray machine to work. As you know that there is population explosion in this world. The number of people is increasing day by day. When the number increases, that time their need also increases. More people need more things. More people need more cloth, more food, more facilities. And these all things are fulfilled by industries. But industries are getting energy from it. It runs the flour mills, it runs crushers, it runs sawmills. There are so many machines in this world which have changed the lifestyle of all people. If you talk to your grandparents, that time they will tell you that how our lifestyle has changed. There was a time when people used to go on foot. It took a long time. It was very difficult to do any work. But now the work has become very easy. Our lifestyle has totally changed, and this credit goes to you. Even if you see there is a book in your hand, you read that book and you get knowledge. But from where do you get book? It is printed. It is printed by printing machine, and it runs the printing machines also. In ancient time, books were written with the help of pen, paper, even the bark of some trees were used. But now we have printing press, and with the help of printing machine, it is very easy to print books. You know about radio, television, cinema. These all things are the means of entertainment. You get entertainment with the help of radio, television, and cinema. But how do you get entertainment? Who runs these things? It runs these all things. It is produced by water, coal, windmill, nuclear reactors, and sun rays. There are some things which are renewable energy, or some are non-renewable energy. Coal cannot be renewed. Once it is used, you can't use it again. But there are some things like water or sun rays, these can be used again. So it is produced with the help of water, it is produced with the help of coal, it is also produced in windmills, and nowadays nuclear reactors are also producing it. Sun rays produce it, but as you know, India is a developing country. It is not a developed country. So far it is not produced much or enough in India. So it is your duty to use it carefully. You should not waste it. Whenever you are not present in the room, when you are out of the room, that time you should not run your fan or bulb. You should switch off your fan, you should switch off your bulb when you are going out of the room. It is necessary to save it for your better life. It can change your life. Do you know who is it? It is electricity. So this electricity is very useful for us, and we should use electricity very carefully. We should not waste it. If we waste it, that time it will create problem for others. So whenever you are using electricity, you must be careful. Thank you. Have a nice day.